If you want a window design that is unique, high-end, and durable in appearance, I recommend this Warren Doors and Windows 120 Series Outward Parallel Push Window. It differs from ordinary casement windows. It adopts an outward parallel pushing opening method, relying on a perimeter all-around hinge structure. The entire window pushes outward horizontally by 20 to 25 centimeters, achieving soft, circulating microventilation all around the home. No direct wind blowing, extremely comfortable. Large floor-to-ceiling sash opens sturdily, giving a full sense of security. Can be equipped with an invisible folding high-definition mesh screen, blocking insects while providing excellent ventilation. After closing, the exterior stays flat and aesthetic, seamlessly integrating with the building facade. Especially suitable for the exterior facade design of minimalist, modern, and light luxury villas. Not only supporting manual opening, this 120 outward parallel push window can also achieve fully automatic electric opening, unleashing an ultra-large transparent field of view. Free your hands with one key automatic opening and closing. Enjoy the smart and superior feeling of a luxury home right at home. Parallel microventilation, floor-to-ceiling ultra-safe, invisible mesh screen, minimalist exterior facade smart option available. An all-around window type that combines aesthetics, safety, ventilation, and intelligence. Want to know more details? Follow me and leave a message in the comment section.